it's India. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the crown chakra. Before we hop into today's video, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, give video a thumbs up, girl. Join the fam, okay? And let's go ahead and hop right into our last chakra video. Okay, babe, congratulations. First of all, if you have made it through the chakra series, thank you so much for sticking around for all the chakras, girl. If you are new and this is the first video that you are watching, this is a chakra series, okay? So we already covered the root, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and now we are on our final seventh chakra, which is the crown chakra. The color of the crown chakra is white or purple. I am wearing purple today to honor the crown chakra. I feel like, once again, if you guys checked out my third eye video, the third eye and the crown, I feel like kind of go hand in hand together in that these are not really chakras that I feel like you need to actively work on. I feel like the ones to actively work on are 1 through 5. Okay, so like the root, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, and the throat, right? And then as you get all of those balanced and you get all that energy in alignment, your third eye and your crown are naturally going to balance themselves out. The crown chakra is really all about enlightenment and pretty much reaching like that 5D consciousness, right? Where everything is just like love and you're able to, really understand like what's really going on here. Your crown is really your connection to the divine and higher consciousness. Some physical symptoms you might experience if your crown chakra is really blocked is one, headaches, right? And I'm not even gonna say really blocked, I'm just gonna say, because it can be, you can have like an underactive chakra or you can have an overactive chakra. But if you suffer from headaches, migraines, things that go on in this area, that's really going to be an off balance of the third eye and the crown. So when you're experiencing that type of energy, you may also feel disconnected from the world. You may be trying to figure out, what is my life purpose? Like, do I have a purpose? Like almost feeling like, what is the reason for this? Like, I don't feel connected to this. What is the purpose? What is my purpose? Why do I need to be here? You may feel depressed. You may have just like a lack mindset in general. And you may also feel a lack of focus, just like, like a mental fog. One of the best things that you can do for this specific chakra is to go out in nature. I feel like nature in general, for just all the chakras, but really for the root and really for the crown, is to connect with nature. Nature is consciousness, okay? Nature is our connection to the divine. So when we go outside and we ground ourselves, right? We literally walk barefoot in the grass, feet to the earth. We can really feel that deep rooted connection, and being in nature can be very healing. You can also do meditations as well. Bonus points if you meditate outside. Meditating outside in nature is going to be even better than doing, your traditional meditation inside. But either way, meditation is meditation. Okay, so you can of course do meditation for all of your chakras, but you can do one specifically to focus on the crown chakra. You could also listen to crown chakra frequencies, also answer journal prompts related to the crown chakra. You can also get crystals to help with the crown chakra as well. If you're a crystal girly, try picking up some amethyst and some clear quartz and probably selenite as well, because these are your clear crystals and your purple crystals. When your crown chakra really gets in alignment, you will really understand your purpose for being here. Like, what is your life purpose, right? You'll really start to feel connected to this earth and realize that there is a reason that you are here, and you will start to, live out your life purpose and really get into the energy of, I'm here for a reason and I need to connect to what's going on here. And you'll kind of like not get your head out of the clouds, because your crown chakra is like that type of activation, but being able to almost move effortlessly through the layers of the dimensions. You know what I mean? There's really not too much to say on the crown chakra in general, because I just feel like I already said, girl, like when you start working on these first 5 chakras, the other 2 up here are going to get in alignment, and you will really start to get that sense of purpose and that feeling of like you know, connectedness, not only to the 3D, but to the divine as well. I think those are pretty much all the things I wanted to say about the crown chakra. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed the chakra series, girl, definitely be sure that you subscribe. And if you have not seen all the videos, definitely be sure that you go ahead and check those out as well. Leave any video topics you have in the comment section down below because, girl, we're moving on. Okay, chakra series is over, so let's see what we're gonna do next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, babe. Bye.